Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with thetradersperspective.com, analyzing natural gas. Before you have the daily time frame. Earlier in the week, I had mentioned that I expected prices to pull back to about the 3.11 level. I was indicating that I would like to see a healthier pullback, and indeed, we did have a good pullback here. I mean, just looking at the past few days, prices have really consolidated in this tight range here, which is quite bullish. We do have a golden cross occurring here with the 50 crossing the 200 right here before you at around 305. And then price did close pretty well on the daily time frame. You know, if you were to draw a trend line here, which I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame for you. Okay, now that we have the 4-hour time frame in front of us here, I'm going to go ahead and just put that there for 1 second. Take this over here and just draw a little bit of a trend line here so that you can visualize what I'm about to say. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can kind of see the action on a better view on what's happening with the price action. We had prices break above this downtrend line here, which I have erased from previous videos, and we have kind of just risen above, riding my moving averages quite well. And we do actually have a buy signal here on my 4-hour time frame, and we did in fact close above this 50-period simple moving average. The bulls may be looking to take control here and push up higher. I don't know how much further that we can actually push. If we break above 3.3, then we're looking at taking a shot at around 3.34 or so, and a break of this level is going to be pretty nice. So let me just go ahead and zoom out for you real quick. So on a daily time frame that you see in front of you, we in fact do have that golden cross, and we have prices that gapped up, and then we had a very nice consolidation here, riding both of these moving averages here, and then we have this golden cross. So price did in fact develop support at around 3.168, around 3.16, let's call it to be even. And so now if we're going to make a push higher, we definitely want to see the bulls break this level here at around 3.2, 3.2, 3.3. Yeah, 3.29, 3.3. And then ultimately you want to see prices break these previous highs indicated here at around 3.34. So once that happens, then we have a shot at 3.5 and then onwards and upwards. But right now it does look like the bulls have taken control. And dropping back to my weekly time frame, you could see that price does in fact close above the 200 period simple moving average. See right here, this 200 period simple moving average is this pink line right here, and we did in fact close above it for the second week in a row. So that is a good stand by the bulls to come in and try to elevate prices. Looking at this a little bit closer, you could see that it does look like a head and shoulders formation. So if price does fail here, then I would get short and I would ride this down to at least this level around here. If price does in fact close underneath this 50 period simple moving average on the weekly time frame, then I would be looking for this trend line here to hold as true support, and then go long and then ride this back up in the coming weeks. But again, if in fact price does resist this level, which I'm beginning to think that it will, even though it does look very nice for the bulls right now, I do believe that prices will in fact reverse and come back down and kind of gyrate a little bit under here before making any type of push higher, let alone avoiding continuing the pattern downwards. So that is still the big threat. The downside is definitely still a possibility regarding this price action previously. Here we could see that this is a very similar pattern, and I would suggest that price would probably still challenge this 200 period simple moving average around 3.21, and then maintaining support around 3.3. Let's just call it 3 to be even. So between 3 and around 3.2, that's where price is probably going to gyrate a little bit if the bulls are going to try to build some kind of solid base to move higher. Otherwise, price fails the 3.295 level, we'd be coming back to the support line if 3.16 did not hold. But on a weekly time frame like this, I mean, it's easier for me to say that prices will probably resist and then reverse than it is for me to look on a daily time frame and say that prices look very bullish. So try to keep your perspective towards the longer time frame on what the big money is doing, how the actual data looks for the security that you're analyzing, regardless if it's natural gas, oil, gold, silver, etc. Just make sure that you're actually looking at the longer term point of view, because that is where the big money is placing its bets, and that's where you should be paying attention to. So heading into this upcoming week, I'd expect prices to kind of drift between this level here, between this red line here and this green line here. That's what I'd be looking for. I'm still not interested in natural gas at this time. Also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be going on vacation, so my next weekly update won't be occurring until May 21st. So just keep that in mind. I apologize, but I am going on vacation to just see the world a little bit, and then I'm going to be back on May 21st. Thank you so much for watching my analysis of natural gas. I will see you in a few weeks.